Linux has grown into a powerful and diverse ecosystem, offering operating systems tailored for every type of user, from beginners to advanced developers, gamers, and privacy enthusiasts. For years, Ubuntu has been one of the most recognizable Linux distributions, known for its ease of use, stability, and strong community support. However, the Linux world has evolved significantly, and today there are many distributions that not only compete with Ubuntu, but in many ways surpass it in performance, customization, privacy, or innovation. While Ubuntu remains a great choice, it is no longer the only option for users seeking a polished and reliable Linux experience. In fact, many users who start with Ubuntu eventually discover other distributions that better match their needs, whether that means a faster system, a more modern interface, better gaming performance, stronger privacy protections, or greater control over the operating system. One of the biggest reasons people look beyond Ubuntu is the desire for more control and customization. Ubuntu is designed to be beginner-friendly, but that simplicity sometimes comes at the cost of flexibility. Many Linux enthusiasts prefer distributions that allow them to shape the operating system according to their preferences, removing unnecessary components and optimizing performance. Over time, several distributions have emerged that offer this balance between ease of use and powerful customization tools. These operating systems give users the freedom to create a computing environment that feels truly personal, while still maintaining the stability and reliability expected from Linux. The first distribution worth mentioning is Linux Mint, which has gained a reputation as one of the most polished and user-friendly Linux systems available today. Many users who switch from Ubuntu quickly find themselves more comfortable with Linux Mint because of its familiar interface and smooth performance. Unlike Ubuntu, which uses the GNOME desktop environment with a modern design approach, Linux Mint focuses on a traditional desktop layout that resembles Windows. This makes the transition easier for people who are switching from Microsoft's operating system. Linux Mint is also known for its stability, as the developers prioritize reliability over experimental features. The result is an operating system that feels consistent and dependable, reducing the chances of unexpected problems after updates. Mint also includes many essential applications pre-installed, meaning users can start working immediately without searching for additional software. Another distribution that stands out is Fedora, which is widely respected for delivering cutting-edge technology while maintaining stability. Fedora often introduces new features before they appear in other distributions, making it popular among developers and technology enthusiasts. The system is backed by Red Hat, one of the most influential companies in the Linux ecosystem, ensuring professional-level quality and strong security standards. Fedora uses the GNOME desktop environment but presents it in a very clean and optimized way, often providing a smoother experience than Ubuntu. It also has excellent support for modern hardware, making it a great choice for users with newer laptops or desktops. Fedora emphasizes open-source principles and avoids including proprietary software by default, which appeals to users who value transparency and software freedom. Another powerful alternative is Manjaro, which is based on Arch Linux but designed to be far more accessible. Arch Linux is famous for its flexibility and performance, but it can be difficult for beginners to install and maintain. Manjaro solves this problem by offering a simplified installation process and pre-configured desktop environments. This allows users to enjoy the speed and efficiency of Arch without the steep learning curve. Manjaro uses a rolling release model, meaning the system is continuously updated instead of requiring major version upgrades. This ensures users always have access to the latest software versions, drivers, and security patches. For gamers and developers who want the newest features without sacrificing stability, Manjaro provides an excellent balance. Pop! OS is another distribution that has quickly gained popularity, especially among creators, programmers, and gamers. Developed by System76, Pop! OS focuses heavily on productivity and performance. The operating system includes features designed to improve workflow efficiency, such as advanced window management tools and keyboard navigation options. Pop! OS also offers strong hardware compatibility, particularly with graphics cards, making it a popular choice for gaming and creative work. Unlike Ubuntu, which sometimes requires additional configuration for optimal GPU performance, Pop! OS often works smoothly right out of the box. The developers regularly update the system with performance improvements and usability enhancements, ensuring users always have access to a modern and efficient environment. Zorin OS is another impressive distribution designed to make Linux more accessible to new users. It offers a visually appealing interface that can mimic Windows or macOS, helping users feel comfortable immediately after installation. Zorin OS focuses heavily on design and usability, providing a polished experience that rivals commercial operating systems. It includes a variety of layout options, allowing users to customize the appearance without needing technical knowledge. This flexibility makes Zorin OS particularly appealing for people switching from Windows who want a familiar environment while benefiting from Linux performance and security advantages. The system also includes built-in compatibility layers that allow some Windows applications to run directly, reducing the need to find alternative software. Another distribution worth considering is OpenSUSE, which is known for its powerful administration tools and exceptional stability. OpenSUSE offers two main versions, Leap and Tumbleweed. Leap focuses on long-term stability, making it ideal for professional environments and users who prioritize reliability. Tumbleweed, on the other hand, is a rolling release distribution that provides the latest software updates. OpenSUSE includes a unique tool called YEST, which simplifies system configuration and allows users to manage settings through an intuitive interface. This makes OpenSUSE particularly attractive for users who want greater control over their operating system without needing to rely on complex terminal commands. Elementary OS takes a different approach by focusing heavily on design and user experience. Inspired by macOS, Elementary OS offers a clean and elegant interface that emphasizes simplicity and consistency. Every part of the system is carefully crafted to create a cohesive visual experience, from icons to animations. Elementary OS also prioritizes privacy and minimalism, avoiding unnecessary features that could slow down performance or compromise user data. The operating system includes its own curated app store, ensuring applications meet quality and security standards. For users who appreciate aesthetics and want an operating system that feels refined and distraction-free, Elementary OS can be an excellent alternative to Ubuntu. For advanced users who want maximum control over their system, Arch Linux remains one of the most respected distributions in the Linux community. Unlike Ubuntu, which comes pre-configured with many components, Arch Linux provides a minimal base installation that users can build upon. This allows complete customization, ensuring the system includes only the software that is truly needed. Arch uses a rolling release model, meaning updates are delivered continuously. While Arch requires more technical knowledge, many users consider it one of the most rewarding Linux experiences because of the level of control it provides. The Arch Wiki is also widely regarded as one of the best technical resources available, helping users solve problems and learn more about Linux internals. Another notable distribution is Debian, which is actually the foundation upon which Ubuntu is built. Debian is known for its exceptional stability and strict adherence to open-source principles. The development process is careful and methodical, ensuring software is thoroughly tested before release. This results in a highly reliable system that is often used for servers and professional environments. While Debian may not always include the latest software versions, its stability makes it a trusted choice for users who need a dependable operating system that rarely experiences unexpected issues. Garuda Linux is a relatively newer distribution that has gained attention for its performance optimizations and visually striking interface. Based on Arch Linux, Garuda includes advanced features such as automatic snapshots and enhanced system recovery tools. This makes it easier for users to experiment with software changes without worrying about breaking their system. Garuda also includes performance enhancements designed to improve gaming and multitasking. Its modern design and strong feature set make it an appealing choice for users who want a powerful and visually impressive Linux experience. These 10 distributions demonstrate how diverse the Linux ecosystem has become. Each offers unique strengths that may appeal to different types of users. Some focus on simplicity and ease of use, while others emphasize performance, customization, or cutting-edge technology. The key advantage of Linux is freedom of choice, allowing users to select the operating system that best matches their preferences and workflow. Unlike proprietary operating systems, Linux distributions can be modified and shared freely, encouraging innovation and collaboration across the community. Another reason many users explore alternatives to Ubuntu is performance. Some distributions are optimized to run efficiently on older hardware, allowing computers to remain useful for longer periods. Lightweight distributions can provide smooth performance even on systems with limited memory or processing power. This not only saves money but also reduces electronic waste by extending the lifespan of devices. In many cases, users are surprised to find that an older computer can feel fast and responsive again after installing a lightweight Linux distribution. Security and privacy are also important factors when choosing a Linux distribution. While Ubuntu provides solid security features, some alternatives place an even stronger emphasis on protecting user data. Linux distributions generally have fewer vulnerabilities compared to proprietary operating systems, partly because their source code is publicly available for review. This transparency allows security experts to identify and fix potential issues more quickly. Some distributions also include built-in encryption tools and privacy-focused configurations, helping users maintain greater control over their information. The availability of software is another area where Linux distributions continue to improve. Many popular applications are now available for Linux, including web browsers, office suites, media editors, and development tools. In addition, compatibility layers such as Wine and Proton allow many Windows applications and games to run on Linux systems. This has significantly expanded the possibilities for Linux users, making it easier than ever to switch from other operating systems. Gaming performance on Linux has improved dramatically in recent years, with support from companies such as Valve contributing to better driver compatibility and game optimization. Community support plays a major role in the success of any Linux distribution. One of the advantages of exploring alternatives to Ubuntu is discovering communities that align more closely with specific interests. Some communities focus on beginners, offering simple guides and tutorials, while others cater to advanced users who enjoy experimenting with new technologies. Forums, documentation, and online discussions provide valuable assistance when troubleshooting problems or learning new skills. The collaborative nature of open-source software encourages users to share knowledge and contribute improvements, creating an environment where innovation can thrive. Another factor that attracts users to alternative distributions is the variety of desktop environments available. Linux allows users to choose from multiple interface styles, each with its own design philosophy and workflow approach. Some desktop environments prioritize simplicity, while others offer extensive customization options. This flexibility allows users to create a workspace that suits their personal preferences, improving productivity and comfort. Whether someone prefers a minimal interface or a feature-rich environment with advanced widgets, Linux provides the tools to achieve that vision. Updates and system maintenance also vary between distributions. Some distributions use a fixed release cycle, providing predictable updates and long-term support versions. Others use rolling release models, ensuring users always have access to the newest software. Each approach has advantages, depending on whether the user values stability or cutting-edge features. Ubuntu offers both standard and long-term support versions, but alternative distributions often provide more flexibility in choosing how updates are delivered. As technology continues to evolve, Linux distributions are adapting to meet new challenges. Improved hardware compatibility, better software support, and enhanced user interfaces are making Linux more appealing than ever before. Many distributions now offer professional-level tools that rival those found in commercial operating systems. This progress demonstrates the strength of the open-source model, where collaboration and innovation drive continuous improvement. Ultimately, the best Linux distribution depends on individual needs and preferences. Ubuntu remains a strong option, but it is no longer the only choice for users seeking a reliable and user-friendly operating system. The distributions discussed here highlight the variety of possibilities available within the Linux ecosystem. Whether someone values performance, customization, design, or stability, there is likely a distribution that fits their requirements perfectly. Exploring different Linux distributions can also be an educational experience, helping users develop a deeper understanding of how operating systems work. By experimenting with various environments, users gain insight into system configuration, software management, and performance optimization. This knowledge can be valuable for both personal and professional development, particularly in fields related to technology and software engineering. The diversity of Linux distributions ensures that innovation continues to thrive. Developers are constantly experimenting with new ideas, creating operating systems that push the boundaries of performance and usability. This competition encourages improvement across the entire ecosystem, benefiting all users regardless of which distribution they choose. As more people discover the advantages of Linux, the community continues to grow, leading to even greater advancements in the future. For anyone currently using Ubuntu, exploring alternative distributions can be an exciting journey. Trying different systems allows users to discover features and workflows that may better match their needs. Because most Linux distributions are free to download, experimenting does not require financial investment. Many distributions also provide live environments that can run directly from a USB drive, allowing users to test the system before installing it permanently. The open-source philosophy behind Linux encourages freedom, creativity, and collaboration. This spirit has enabled the development of numerous distributions that offer unique approaches to computing. While Ubuntu played an important role in making Linux accessible to a wider audience, the ecosystem has grown far beyond a single distribution. Today, users can choose from a wide range of operating systems that deliver exceptional performance, innovative features, and personalized experiences. In the end, the idea that there are distributions better than Ubuntu does not diminish Ubuntu's importance. Instead, it highlights the strength of the Linux ecosystem as a whole. Competition drives improvement, and users benefit from having multiple high-quality options. Whether someone chooses Linux Mint for its familiarity, Fedora for its innovation, Manjaro for its balance of power and simplicity, or any of the other distributions mentioned, the most important factor is finding a system that enhances productivity and enjoyment. Linux continues to evolve, offering new possibilities for computing across desktops, laptops, servers, and even mobile devices. The flexibility of open-source software ensures that users are not limited by the decisions of a single company. Instead, they can explore an ecosystem built on collaboration and shared knowledge. As more distributions emerge and existing ones continue to improve, the future of Linux looks increasingly promising. Choosing a Linux distribution is ultimately a personal decision influenced by individual priorities. Some users want the simplest possible experience, while others seek maximum performance or advanced customization options. Fortunately, the Linux ecosystem provides solutions for every type of user. By exploring alternatives to Ubuntu, users can discover new tools and features that enhance their computing experience and provide greater control over their digital environment. The 10 distributions discussed here demonstrate that Linux offers far more variety than many people realize. Each distribution brings its own philosophy and innovations, contributing to the richness of the ecosystem. Whether someone is new to Linux or an experienced user, trying different distributions can lead to surprising discoveries and improved workflows. The journey of exploring Linux is ongoing, with new developments continually shaping the future of open-source computing.